What's up, you guys? So today we're gonna be making taco fried. I don't know what they're called. Triangle tacos. So that's what we're gonna be making. Okay. I got some chicken tenders that I washed. I'm gonna cut them up into smaller sections with my kitchen scissors. Got some cheese. I made this like 2 nights ago, so I still have stuff, but they wanted me to make him some more. I got some large flour tortillas. Some sauce of your choice. I just got some picante medium. And you'll need some cream cheese. I have some still from the night before, so I'm going to use this and a little bit of this. Put that back. And I'll be using grapeseed oil to cook the chicken and also to fry the stuff in. And I think I'm going to have some butter. For seasoning my chicken, we have sea salt, cilantro, citrus herb, garlic, onion, and that's about it. And we're gonna get started. I feel like I always do this. Oh well. Do me. I'll do me. I love garlic. Ooh, that's a little too much. Cilantro. Salt. Seasoning. I need to buy some other kind of chicken from like a local place, so it's not the chicken I usually get. I just tossed the chicken on the stove. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take this, cut it in half.
What are you doing today? Yeah, and you're missing school because of it. That's all good. We get a home day. It's summertime. What's up?
Cut the tortilla in half.
So, what has been the verdict since you told your doodle story?
Alright, you guys, so the chicken is now done. And we're going to add in some cream cheese. it all.
So sit down in the wrong place.
And then that is just roll off the floor.
But I find that if you do the right measuring of quantity
And cheese.
and don't pull
Got
out
the salsa.
back in at once, because that's what you do.
Add as much as you like. Rinse the cheese. Cheese. Pretty simple, you guys.
So the stapler is also
I'm going to mix all of the together. Add whatever you like. I think the video I saw though, this is basically like the gist of it. So I'm just gonna work this around because it's basically done. Let's get that cream cheese to melt. Ooh, it smells good. Smell that salsa. Some green chilies.
Alright, so I ran out of the contact paper again yesterday. It came in, so I'm going to finish this off. I'm going to finish up by putting on the top portion of the countertops. And hopefully it comes out good because these countertops are rounded. And it says to use a blow dryer, so I'm going to see how I do that in detail. I'm going to measure it in the...
Alright, I'm going to put this aside and get the oil started. Alright, so I got the oil over there, fit to heat up. And then I'm going to just show you guys how I make the little triangle things. I got some butter. This is just some Earth Balance original non-GMO vegan burger. You can't see it. You can see me. Alright, I'm back. So I'm going to create a triangle. Boom. Fold it in. Boom. Fold it in. And I try to make sure that so basically it just looks like a triangle. So I'm going to add a little butter right here. I use butter, it works pretty good. Now I'm going to add the stuff in here. What you over there doing, Armando?
Playing spades, love. Trying to get my spade game up. Just in case any of them YouTube watchers out there want to try to test your boy the game of spades.
What? Now I'm just going to put a little butter here and clamp it down. Some people use like water and starch. I'm not sure what I first used. Water, my oil is ready. Here they are, guys. Yes. All right, y'all. So you fit to see I'm feeding a celebrity right here. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how.
Peace up. Amy gang down.
We're gonna see how he like it.
Got that picante medium. Woo, they hot, they fresh out the fry. Drop some of that on there. I can't even hold it. It's hot.
Is it really that hot?
It's hot, baby, but that's how they
I think
do
those
it.
are the last two that are.
That's how they do it. Drop that on there like that, y'all see it? All right. And what's the name of these?
Triangle
The
tacos?
triangle tacos. They bomb. Y'all ready? Follow me. Ooh, I'm just gonna go in. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Man, once you get past that good heat, cause it's fresh out the front, you understand me? And them juices and them fruits and them flavors, man, get to hit your palate, man. Get to make your palate do the dance, man. Palate doing a dance, man. I'm going back again, man. Ooh. Then when you get past it, you see what I'm saying?
If you made it this far in the video, make sure you like,
Thank you,
comment.
baby.
If you subscribe,
That's nice.
you're welcome, babe. If you subscribe already, we thank you and we appreciate you guys for rocking with us.
Going back again.
Hope you guys have a blessed day. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Yes,
If you
sir.
want to see some more cooking videos from us, let us know, because
Coming.
this guy, he be doing his thing. So let us know. We'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye, babe.
I'm on my way. Last time that I checked, it won't even let me talk. My tongue said I don't want to talk. I want to chew. Amy gang, we out of here.